Mostly Indians just says Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Yeah, it's very good feeling
Okay.
when you
Hello.
say hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How have you been?
Yes, I'm very good, thank you. And what was your name, please?
I'm Ujjwal.
Ujwal. Nice to meet you. My name is Jessie.
Jesse, nice to meet you too.
And where are you calling from today?
I'm calling from India. And I'm in the northern part of India.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. And why do you want to improve your English?
Yeah, because English is must in this generation, this scenario. So that is why I want to improve my English, and I joined Cambly. So this is the reason.
Great. So where is it you live?
I live in northern part of India. Its state is Uttar Pradesh, and my city name is Muradabad.
Cool. Nice.
Yeah.
And is that where you're from?
Sorry,
Were you born there or have you moved there?
I grew up in my city. I born in Muradabad.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. And how long have you been learning English for?
I've been learning English for maybe 1 or 2 years.
Wow, that's great. Well, you seem like you're doing very well. Your English sounds great.
Oh, that thank you.
Hmm. And do you work? Do you study?
I'm doing BBA. It's a bachelor degree, so I'm pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration. What I
Ah,
want to do with business, yeah. So that is why.
awesome. And are you enjoying your studies?
Yeah, I enjoying a lot.
That's great. So England is the country that I'm from, and London is the city.
Okay.
So England is a country which
Okay,
is
okay.
part of the United Kingdom, and
Yeah.
there are four countries which form the United Kingdom. So that's Northern Ireland, Scotland, England, and Wales.
Okay.
And together, those countries are the United Kingdom. And within those countries are capital cities, London being the capital of England. Uh, Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland. Edinburgh
Okay.
is the capital of Scotland. And which one haven't I said yet? Cardiff is the capital city of Wales.
Okay, that's great. So, like, what is the native language?
In all of the countries, we speak English.
English.
In Ireland, they also speak Celtic,
Okay, that sounds
Gaelic.
good.
In Wales, they have their national language is Welsh as well, but their first language is English. Um, in Scotland, they speak English with a very thick accent.
Yeah.
Um, and also in the south of England, there is another language called Cornish from Cornwall.
Okay. Okay. So, like, do you know how the Hindu says greetings?
No, I don't know any Hindu greetings, unfortunately.
Okay. I think you just can say hi, hello. Am I right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You. But if, mostly Indians just says Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Yeah, it's very good feeling
Okay,
when you say Jai Shri Ram. Yeah.
awesome. So
Yeah.
you speak Hindi?
Yeah, yeah. Hindi is my native language, so I can
Mhm.
speak Hindi very well. Yeah.
Any of the other languages around? Was it Punjabi, Urdu?
No,
What's
I uh, I don't speak any other language, but in India, basically India is a language. India is a country of languages, so there are a lot of languages in India,
Mhm.
and there are a lot of states like in Bengal, people speak Bengali. As you said, like in Punjab, so people speaks Punjabi very well.
Mhm.
Yeah, so the different states people speak different languages.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So cool. I would love to visit India.
yeah. You're welcome. Very welcome.
Yeah, I hope to be able to come someday soon.
Yeah.
I'm a yoga teacher, so I would love to go to the mountains, go to Rishikesh, and see where all that came from.
Okay. So, what is the temperature right now in your area?
So I live in Colombia in South America,
Yeah,
and right now probably the temperature is around 30 degrees.
30 degrees. So, it's summer is running.
It's always summer here.
Oh,
Yes, because we're very close to the equator, so it's
yeah.
climate. So there are wet and dry seasons, and at the moment it's dry season.
You never enjoyed winter.
No, I don't like winter at all.
We don't like. Okay.
No. And what is the weather like where you are?
Yeah, here I think it is maybe 14 or 15 degrees in Celsius. So,
Okay, not too cold.
yeah, not too. Winter is running right now.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy winter?
Yeah, I do. Actually, I love to play with the snow. So here from my city, there's a state, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So I love to visit there because on that in that states we can see the snowfall. So yeah, so I'm thinking to
Wow,
go there. Yeah, and I'll go.
nice.
Yeah.
That sounds great. I like seeing the snow for a couple of hours and then that's enough.
Okay.
And what do you like to do in your spare time? What are your hobbies and interests?
Actually, nowadays I spend my time to study because I'm preparing for government exam. So yeah, I filled a form to a government field. So that is why nowadays I study a lot. So I spend my
Hmm.
time in study. But like usually, I in my free time uh, I watch movies and I sometimes I play online game. So this type of stuff I do my free times.
Hmm. Cool, to relax and unwind. Yeah, nice. Do you have a favorite movie or anything that you particularly like watching?
No, I don't have a favorite movie. So actually, firstly, I read the movie description and about the movie, what is in the movie, and I see I see about the actress and actor of the movie. So yeah, so I decide that I should watch or not.
Hmm. Cool,
Yeah,
awesome. And do you enjoy to travel?
yeah, I enjoy to travel because I love to traveling. I love traveling. So like now I am doing my graduation, but after my graduation, I'll travel a lot basically because I love traveling.
Awesome. And where do you like to go? What do you like to see?
Firstly, in India, I would like to go a lot of states where I can enjoy, where I can enjoy the snowfall.
Hmm.
And yeah, another I would like to go in America and London. So this type of countries I would like to go.
Cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, there must be loads to see in India. If you if I was visiting India, what would you recommend? Where would you suggest that I visit?
Actually, you can come, as I told you, in Himachal Pradesh, because I don't know, do you love mountains or not, but I do. So that
Mhm.
is why I love Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So yeah, if you love the mountains, if you want to connect the mountains, so you should visit there.
Awesome.
Because yeah, because the nature beauty is too good.
The what? Sorry.
The nature beauty is too good.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would love to see that. Awesome. And do you enjoy partaking in any activities, any sports, or um, anything like that?
Mm, actually, I used to play cricket, but due to lack of time, so I stopped it. But I used to
Mm.
play, and I enjoyed to play cricket. Uh, and that I was in like my fifth grade. I was in fifth grade, so I used to play a lot. Yeah,
Okay.
I woke up at 4 o'clock at morning and went to ground for playing cricket,
Wow.
and came back from there like 10 a.m.
Wow, that's really early. That's dedication.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you miss it at all?
yeah, I miss a lot those days,
Mm.
but now there are a lot of responsibilities in on my head. So and due to lack of time, we can't play now.
Yeah.
So yeah, because yeah, time has gone now. So we have to study, and
Yeah.
yeah, now we should think about our future.
Mm. It's good to continue doing the things that bring you joy, though. To You can work hard and study hard, and hopefully maybe still find a little bit of space for things that bring you joy. It's important.
Yeah. Yeah. So do you love any sports?
I don't like sports in particular. Not really into like competitive sports, but I enjoy physical activities. Like I said, I'm a yoga instructor, so I very much enjoy practicing yoga. I really like swimming
Oh, you are a
and
yoga teacher.
dancing. So, yeah,
Mm,
I teach yoga.
okay. So like, what should we do to be healthy?
Sorry?
What should we do to be stay healthy? Like, what should we do? What can we do?
Move every day. Do some
What?
movement every day and do
So
activities that you love and enjoy every day.
okay.
Mhm. And practice gratitude, of course, being
Yeah.
grateful for the things that you have. And if you enjoy it, if you can, meditation is great. But I also believe that doing things you love, like for example, playing cricket, if you enjoy
Yeah.
that very much, that can be a form of meditation. Doing
Yeah.
things you
Actually,
enjoy.
I take long breaths like in usually in mornings. I take long breath because it is beneficial. It is,
Mm,
yeah.
yeah,
Like,
for sure. Okay, our time's nearly up, but it's been
yeah.
great talking to you. I
Yeah.
think your English is great, so hard work.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Okay, enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye.